Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So, we taking these out. And me and my brother. Anyways, right side.
We need a 10mm, but
we can't find one right now. Let me just set y'all up. I'm gonna set y'all niggas up, bro.
Oh, hey Jordan.
Yo. See? Look. Oh, dang. Hold on, y'all. I'm my fault. I'm tripping. Alright, y'all can see? Alright, y'all can see. Yeah. What we doing today, man? We taking out the ignition cord, so, you know. This is part one. This is part one taking out. We already got the manifolds over there, but anyways. Well, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we do something else. When we found the right boat. Alright, you guys, so we just broke, well, he broke 3 of them. Let me show them. They can't see me anymore. If y'all can see that, he broke 3 of them. Not all of them.
Right tool.
We don't got the right tools, so that make it even harder. But guys, I paused the video on the internet, but talking about, you know, he trying to work, you know, but 3 ignition cores. Yeah. I don't know. Just keep. He said yeah. 392 fat said yeah. Yep. Well, I'm just get back to you when we get something, when we do something other than this. Alright, you guys, we have finally got the ignition cores out, but you know, we got the right tools that we needed. I'm gonna put y'all in. You said what? And also we took the bolts out the strut tires. Now, we took the knees out. If y'all can see that, yeah, y'all can see that. Both on these, both sides. But I'm gonna put y'all in time lapse though. Now we done got the what's that thing called? The back piece. The who? The cow cover. There we go. Now we gotta take the what? The bumper? Yeah, the bumper off. You know. Gotta set y'all up. We need like a stand, bro. A light stand. We can see. Maybe we take this off. Yeah, we should just take this off. Okay, we got the same stuff as the,
Wait, we taking this off, right?
We're not. Because it'll be easier for the light to get on there. Cause you see all these holes right here? It'll be bigger. See, we can go right here. Look, it's this and it takes. Alright, I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse. Now we done got the what's that thing called? The back piece. The who? The cow cover. There we go. Now we gotta take the what? The bumper? Yeah, the bumper off. You know. Gotta set y'all up. You need like a stand, bro. A light stand. You can see. Maybe just take this off. Yeah, we should just take this off. So we got the same stuff as the
Wait, we taking this off, right? We're not.
Because it'll be easier for the light to get on there. Cause you see all these holes right here? It'll be bigger. See, we can go right here. Look, it's just this and here. It takes. Alright, I'm gonna put y'all in time lapse.